All right, I'm sorry. I'm being so stupid. The thing is, I'm kind of sick right now anyway. So like, I'm already coughing. So it's just it's just natural. This is good.